Hi, welcome to my best jewelry boxes review. Are you looking for the jewelry boxes? We analyzed consumer reviews to find top jewelry boxes. This video, we share top 5 jewelry boxes on the market. Subscribe our channel and get more info and real-time deal on your favorite product. Let's start. Number 5. Armoire from Best Choice Product. Give your extras an elegant new home with this open and very edged wooden box. Highlighting a world-class craftsmanship that will enhance your well-being effects. You will probably love the quality and appearance of this jewelry box. Produced with high-quality MDF material and velvet-lined delicate insides that enhances its appearance. The upper compartment is 8 holes for storing bolts with a Number 4. Wood Jewelry Box Case JC866. With this high-quality jewelry box made of wood, you can store your jewelry perfectly. With an incredible jewel and plan, you will undoubtedly admire the great look of this jewelry box and respect its helpfulness. Gorgeous hand carvings on the top highlighting exquisite style. Protect your precious jewelry in 5 drawers housed in staggered compartments. Number 3. Vlando presents Pandora Wood Jewelry Organizer Box. This noble jewelry box made of extravagant material looks extravagant and extravagant. A refined piece of wood jewelry box that you can bless your friends and family. Vlando is a selective brand known for its high-quality plan and exquisite appearance. Including thick manufactured calf leather material and a velvet layer, this medium-valued jewelry box stores all the adorable ornaments. Number 2. Rolling. If you take the opportunity to collect jewelry and wear it at unique events, then you most likely need a jewelry box that keeps your effects sorted. This wooden jewelry box has a rich appearance and is designed to keep your precious possessions safe and secure with the aim of getting them at the right time. Number 1. Richmond from Mel & Company. For those who want to be restrictive, this is the best wooden jewelry box you'll ever find on the market. Richmond Mel is a name that has been known for years for its high-quality products that end up in extravagance. The scratched glass plate on the front provides quick access to your rings and rivets. With a reflective back wall, the storage rooms have 6 loops on each side of the jewelry box to keep your jewelry efficient.
I should fuck her in the Benz.